I'm Catherine.
I'm Donna, and today we're doing the real way versus the gadget way.
Ooh, what a challenge.
Okay, why don't you see how it works when you just like cut a tomato?
I hate cutting tomatoes, so.
Don't cut your finger, please.
Yeah, I know. Tuck, you're gonna tuck.
Oh, terrible.
But wait, the slicer thing. Okay. Oh, wait, is it just like this? Something's happening.
Wow, you ended juices.
I mean, the slices are here, but they're all,
They like kind of squished it.
and they're stuck together still.
Okay.
This looks really dangerous.
I know.
I see a slice
Alright.
forming though.
That sound is really
Yeah, the sound is terrible. The metal on the metal.
It's like, oh no.
Oh. They're still connected, so that you'd have to tear them,
Yeah, but like,
which we can do.
it's kind of, it makes it like a nicer presentation. I feel like I couldn't cut it that thin by myself.
This is not worth it for me.
It's not worth it for me either.
It's definitely.
Like, I don't need thin sliced lemons like this that often.
I picked the real way over the gadget this time.
Same.
Mr. Sneeze. Oh, I did not see the front. Oh my gosh.
What?
Oh, that's hilarious.
Wait, I would totally, this is like not
That
only
is
like a
so
tool,
funny.
it's like a decoration.
Let's try to separate
An egg?
an egg. Okay. I mean, that really wasn't that hard. I
as I was
did
saying.
get a little shell. Darn it. All right, well, whatever, but it's separated.
Yeah.
Check that out.
Yeah.
Okay, we did it.
So the Mr.
You go first.
Mr. Sneezy?
Well, I think we're about to see why.
I'm really excited. I think you dumped it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And now, oh my gosh. Look at
It's like snot. Oh my god. I want
Oh,
one.
God.
I want one, Donna.
This is hilarious.
You have to like pull it out.
The problem is he doesn't have, he's got to put his back into it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, come on, buddy. I mean, there's a little
Never
whites
gonna look
left.
at egg whites the same way.
No, absolutely not. This is a great gag gift.
If you have like a baker in your life, I feel like a baker would like totally appreciate
Yeah.
this.
I'd say it's worth it more for the hilarity than for solving the problem.
Yeah.
but worth it.
I mean, it's like one more thing to wash, but
worth it.
worth it.
I'm just like, oh no, oh no, oh, odd shapes.
You're making me so nervous.
A banana slicer.
So you just push it down.
Wow.
I mean, they're very even.
There's no
That's really nice.
denying how good these slices look. Are they?
Well, it's like, it's
Oh. They need like a punch or outer. They need like an equal side like stamp to just like pop
Yeah.
it out. Honestly, this is a little thicker than I like my banana slices.
same. I like them kind of thin.
I could go through life without this gadget.
For sure.
I wanted to love you, banana slicer.
I did too, but it's just an extra piece of plastic.
Yeah.
Not worth it.
Oh god, oh no, ah, no.
Let's see what this gadget can do.
I feel like this gadget is going to be very helpful.
Is it though? It must go like this, right? Right? This
Life-
way?
Okay, so
It's happening.
yeah, it is there's something happening.
Something is happening here.
This is life changing. My life has changed.
Wow. I mean, look at this.
Actually, like,
Look at that.
I'm impressed.
I'm surprised.
There's like no cob in this.
I
It's,
may
like,
have done
full.
it the wrong way, but this is multifunctional.
So from the skinny side down, I'm still really terrified of hurting myself.
Oh, the sound it makes. So intense.
This is so hard. That's actually not bad. I think it's already a hard task with a knife, but I think that this actually really does make it easier. I
Yeah.
don't cob a lot of corn. Is that
If you're into corn and you're taking it off the cob on the regs, worth it.
Yeah, totally.
Okay, so the slap chop is notorious amongst some of my friends because a girlfriend of mine slap chopped her thumb. And it works really well.
Oh no! I was never afraid of these until now.
I'm sorry, I should have told you afterwards. But
Ugh.
So slap chop, you just like.
wow.
So
I mean, wow.
Yeah,
Look
perfect
at that.
onions. Look at that. Would you look at that? Yeah, no, I think it's worth it for me. I chop a lot of vegetables, and specifically, I use a lot of onions. So
I think a good knife might be better. For me, it nets out on the real way.
I would agree, just solely based on like spending money on extra things.
Yeah, spending money and space in the kitchen. This doesn't take up much space, and all these gadgets.
Yeah, you
I don't have that
this
much room.
This is a multi-tool. Why have a gadget?
Yeah, agreed.